eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyika ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingiya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibyasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Jumatatu yechi tariki 14 mutinyo gatano na kabiri umwaka bw'ekiri 2025 waire byo mwanche murigere Ogetembe TV ekene kyonga chinsa isano na ibira senchera yobwenye tori na reveni nyabogyo cross omuno abo imanyererio nchengero kwa Catherine Nyaboga na boy gobal na basendari kuri studio kabere nero kwa ene kyabuna chibichechi na Mario Yingo ikarachira senchera ere yobwekrani karanso ke obenento weka omwerio na togo chaka abamenyi bananyuki egotoka county ya Laikipia ni gobage ndrete korobekana erio kwa mirerege kora somo subatyo yomo aseri ta Julian Njoki abete kagusiri obugima bwaye asegitaseni kyabanyanyimbo kyananyuki Julian Njoki nigo abwate tori tukoria sapa marago baga kuira na gochia sobo nabanyanyimbo agayikigwa asegitaseni kyo na maiga yeru tukerimo nigo abete kagusiri obugima bwaye ase enyagitari yananyuki asekireka bunna okosiri obugima kwaye nigo kwaretwe nechingoma echiabete kagutigiro nabanyanyimbo chinga kyarengi asigitasinikyo
May them die like Julie or more than Julie. The cast from heaven, they come down. Hata mkubwa wano anaitwa Ruto akuje down hata yeye na watoto yake. Apis, why do you mzalewa na mama? Kwani mlitoka mbinguni? Mzaliwa. Unaua mtoto na vipo. Usiana mtoto unaua na vipo. only person who came in the police station is bwana DCC na mapolisi wale wakubwa kwa na mawe makubwa wakaniambia I play cool so that we don't take this thing up. What about tomorrow? What about the children tomorrow? Julia amekuwa na wengine atafanya nini?
Wale mambo. Anyone take any opportunity to explain to you what exactly happened?
No, I need the explanation right now. Nataka niambiwe Julia aliuliwa na nani? And what did she do? I know it's hard for me. Huyu ni mtoto wangu wa kwanza. Begu ya Kariuki ya kwanza ndio hii. Wameua. Na Kariuki ni chief hapa anamulia mtoto. Even what is he doing as a chief? He should quit from that stupid chief. For that 1,000. Atoke.
Alikuwa anapelekwa prison kukoja cash bail yake, akakuwa akona head injuries na akona internal bleeding na akaaga. Sasa tunataka haki. Kwa sababu haki tusipotokea sisi wote kutafuta haki, tutauawa sisi wote. Na hata leo ni kama wamejipanga. Wameamua hatutaandamana, wameamua kuna haki tutatafuta, ni kama wako tayari kutuua sisi wote. Ile haki tunatafuta ni hizi familia viwe
Moseneta we kaunti ya Migori omoske Eddie Gisheru Okechi ni garuro kubolia gotia saba Kenya wetanga novo kabira na komenya amabuna abantu abamo kukwana koro kaunti ya Kiambu Okechi ni goboigo akwaneire obubebu kabira ase aburi abantu kubotisia omurai wense omoske Daktari wa Samuel Ruto murai we kyamukirigia ODM omoske Raila Odinga na boigo omokonyo murai wense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki erikwana kyabuna gwabwatisia bare eri babakorere amagenderero.
This country is bleeding on the basis ya ukabila. I think mimi ni testimony kwamba you can choose to identify yourself as a Kikuyu if you want. You can choose to identify yourself as a Luo if you want. You can choose to identify yourself as a Luya if you want. But there is a bigger identity. That is identity of Kenya. Ndiposa wa Kenya walinisaidia mpaka Mkikuyu. Leo mimi ni mtu kwa sababu familia ya Kikuyu ilisimama na mimi, ya Wakure ilisimama na mimi, Wamasai na Wanubi walisimama na mimi, wakanifunza. Msikubali kama watu wa Kiambu kutengwa na wengine kwa msingi ya kikabila. Kwa sababu wale wanatenga na watu wengine kwa msingi wa kikabila, na waambia leo au wamejitengenezea mali wakati hii nchi inaungua. They can choose to go anywhere. Yes, but you can never be refugees in your own county. Tusimame na Rais William Ruto, tusimame na Raila Odinga, tusimame na Mheshimiwa Kindiki, na kama viongozi tuunganishe hii nchi ikuwe moja na tuendelee kama Wakenya moja. Asante.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Machakos omoske wa Vinyandeti ni go aichanire na boyo go kwanera ekore ase na mbenene go somo baro monene bwa basai ne baba somiri bakore chisukuru babwate guika chitigiri tibabwati emirimo go kwana kuratala ndeti ni ga kwanero siniga motire serikali ase okoboro kwa basai emirimo ase boygo atebire egekore kya basai koboro emirimo na kikeirira basai bange goso ase chipara eryo korobekana sabona rukuboya gocha se kanisa kubeka ensi ya Kenya asa masabo.
Kibaki had a big vision for the youth of this country. And I think as a country, we have to go back to the drawing board. These youth that have become so many that are in the streets, they are unemployed, what are we going to do about them? And what I can ask His Excellency, you see, these youth are not somewhere in the air. They are in the counties. They are in the wards. Why can't we, the national government and the county government, have a good plan on how to deal with the youth on the ground? Please devolve money to the counties so that we can take care of these young people. Tupatiwe pesa, vitu zote zikikaa huko juu, hata mjui ni nini naendelea huku mashinani. Sisi tuko nao watoto kila siku. Mkitupatia pesa na gavana akipatiwa pesa atumie vizuri na kuwe na programu mzuri. Na makanisa, the church, please be the voice of reason. It's only you who can help us now. Tell the truth. Hata kama ni mimi gavana, hata kama ni nani, mtu ambie ukweli. We need to pray for young people. Kibaki had a
gracing this great occasion. So we say,
Muraibu kiama kiria gia DCP Omosikirigati Gachagua nigo agenderere komochia muraibu kiama gia ODM na kumutagura guika chinse chesko gukona koro ensi America abwasa agenderete kumirana n'abakenya bamenyete asenseyu Omosikirigati Gachagua nigo amochiririe Omosikiraira asoko gendera kubwatirana ne serikali ya kirachinga kikorinde tari guikiranira abakenya gati ari bakubeka okuigwana asatebire erebuna Gachagua tari gochiwa korankwana chindi chonse ne serikali gose kubeka okuigwana konde gwansi asatebire egatiye bigocha Kenya egwetirana asegikaye kana kubolia abantu bari bari chinse cha maiko korenda emeremo yabaire tororo nabo yokogenda gokonya chiamate chabo emergency ya Kenya.
Raila Odinga has been in every dialogue since 1997. He lost to Moi in 1997. He created problems. He was caught. His people are killed. He forgot about them. He joined government. In 2007, he lost to Mwai Kibaki. He created problems. He was caught. He joined government. He forgot about his people. In 2017, he caused problems. Uhuru called him. The other day, Ruto called him. He means nothing for the people of Kenya. He's just thinking about his own stomach. He is trying to slow down the one-term momentum. And we are saying, Bwana Raila Odinga, before you tell us to enter into new dialogue with William Ruto, you entered dialogue with him called NADCO. It has not yet been implemented. Now you want us to start a new one. The other day after you lost the AU chairmanship, you entered into MOU with him for a 10-point agenda. Among the things you agreed is that no abductions, no killings. They have now increased instead of being stopped. You agreed that governors will be given 450 billion. That has not happened. So the two dialogues you have done with William Ruto, none has been implemented. Now you want us to go into a third one. It is simply a strategy to slow down the one-term momentum. And I heard him saying yesterday, Rigiji cannot be the solution. No, Rigiji is not the solution. I've never said I'm the solution. I cannot be the solution. The solution is one term. Boys, don't worry, we have a beautiful country. These little challenges itaisha. Nyinyi mkae hapa. Na msikuwe na haraka ya kurudi. Sababu sasa pale tuko na shida mingi. We would want people to join you here kama inawezekana. So if you have a job here, please keep it. Don't keep it. Kule kwetu hakuna. Kama uko na kazi uchunge tafadhali. And of course, mkumbuke watu ya nyumbani. Mkipata kitu kwa simu titi inasaidia.
Mwanachevi na monene umokoro Omoske David Maraga nigo akwane usinigaruro ko egekuro ko chaso muraiwense Omoske Dr. William Samuel Ruto na komubolia abe maiso egekogera ekyo osekegambiro kia ICC nigo kere maiso na nigo kera abege komochera ukwana korwa Bungoma Maraga nigo akwaniro kuborwa kubosaiti weki na kyo mwaka 2007 na boigo mwaka 2008 ase aichaneire ogoito kwa basaichinga kibakorobe kana na boigo komocha enkwana yo muraiwense buna abasaye banyare osabanto banyare koraswa maguru chinga kibakorobekana asaboigo amochire enkwana yo muraibwe kiamakirigia ODM Omosikiraira Odinga asogoteba buna oko okanyangororo gwense moyo kwambire serikali okora chingwana na boigo eserikali koigwanana.
They are watching when they take action. When they take action, it is in accordance with the statute, the Rome Statute, and I'm sure I will not be surprised kupata wamerudi. Wakati ule ni washahidi walikosa. Those people are not fools. This time around they could do their investigations very well na warudiwe. Lakini ile ambao ninaona hata kwa news internationally, the whole world is shocked by what is happening in Kenya. We are not in a state of war to have 60 people dying in less than a month, to have reckless statements being made by none other than the president that shoot. That is not normal. Na mimi sifikirii that wakati huu kunaweza kuwa na dialogue ambayo itakuja kushughulikia vijana madai yao. Waliahidiwa mambo ambao wangefanyiwa na wakati huu.
Muraiwe kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigo amochire muraiwe ense asoboraiwe na goteba atari korabuna ebwenerete gokwana korwa Mwingi North. Kalonzo nigo akwa aichaneire ogoitwa kwa bantu chingaki bakorobekana aseboigo akwaneire ekiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe kia IEBC na goteba nigo barachie kwa maiso chingaki chobochori bo mwaka 2027.
So nataka niwaambie sitakuja tarehe 20 Oktoba. Your namesake Ruto atakuja, that's okay. He is a president, he is free to go anywhere. And I felt that I need to address that issue. The level of intolerance of this administration, they can't stomach criticism. Our constitution is clear. There is the government side and the opposition. It's a new dawn, a new country. All of them watamani hiyo vituo. Hatutakuwa tukitamainia IBC ya William Ruto. Tutatangaza matokeo ya nani ameshinda urais kabla ya saa 2 the following day. Na tutakuwa tukipeperusha matokeo from every polling station to the presidential tallying center. Sio jambo kusema sio jambo wa kawaida. We will recognize, just make sure watu wachukue vipande. Now come up with a program. We want to hear new registration of voters. Na hawa makamishna hawa wasizuie watoto kuchukua vipande IDs, la kuchukua kura. Ukimaliza hiyo sasa wewe ngojea. And then of course take your civic responsibility. Responsibility yako kama mwananchi wa Kenya. Eleza habari. Kenya imepinduka, watoto wadogo kama sasa on Tuesday watu wako wetu Ndumberi in Kiambu wanamzika mtoto wa 12 years amepigwa risasi kichwa akiangalia television kwa nyumba ya baba yake. And that is a kind of thing. Tumemzika kidogo Boniface, kijana Boniface Kariuki Iso Murang'a. Alipigwa risasi na kazi yake alikuwa angalau anauza mask ili ya kujifunika usipate corona ama upate tear gas. Mtoto huyo Boniface Kariuki 22 years asiwe the year Kibaki became president. 22 years nilienda nikaona familia yao.
Nara yokore kyonga chinsa isana na ibira senchira yo wengi kuminto chikoira nagaiga tokoretera yo monaya ne twaro borigire borobia asemurubya Getembe TV ekobwati.
Superstores Nero eduka asorogonguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo enkale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate igani kabwate chikala bunabonelia Chaco Gray, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate iga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yega ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango eduke yega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.